hanggang ngayon, aware ako na, maraming nakatingin sa'yo. You have to be good.
Okay.
You have to do this and that. Kasi, especially yung mga bata, gagayahin kung ano yung makita sa'yo. But then, always, every time I press ko and they ask me this, I always answer na, hindi porket artista, perfect na, hindi porket sinabi niya role model, wala kami imperfections and we can't commit mistakes and we can't learn from our mistakes. So, that's what I keep telling them na, yes, okay, pwedeng may idolize ka. Parang ako, may iniidolo ka and all. But then, bakit ko siya iniidolo? Because I see myself in her. Maybe because nakikita ko na tao din siya, na nasaktan siya, nagkakamali siya, napapagod siya, nagagalit siya, and that's okay. So siguro wala masyadong pressure sa akin because even the fans, I always tell them na huwag niyo akong i-idol dahil perfect ako dahil di talaga, promise. So, yung sa role na to, ni Philo, siguro yung sa yung rebellious and then very bold character, bago siya sa akin, but in a way siguro, yan yung reason kung bakit meron akong small circle of friends and my family. Because at the end of the day, pinapa-enjoy nila sa akin yung life in general. Na yes, I work hard, but I need to enjoy my life too. So pinapayagan nila ako umalis, pinapayagan ako na magtrabaho, but then okay, ito gagawin ko after para may mabigay pa ako, hindi ako maubos. So yun yung naging routine ko parate, para ayoko na nape-pressure ako to be good just because I have to be good. So I want to be good because ito yung pagkatao ko, and being good doesn't mean, hindi na ako magsasalita and just following kung anong sinasabi ng lahat ng tao sa akin. So kung matanggap ka ng tao bilang ganon, so